Here are 3 high-yield USMLE-style questions focused on allelic heterogeneity, heteroplasmy, and uniparental disomy. Question 1. A 30-year-old male with beta thalassemia is diagnosed after genetic testing reveals mutations in the beta globin gene. The mutations are of different types but result in the same disease phenotype. Which of the following best describes this genetic phenomenon? A. Allelic heterogeneity. B. Locus heterogeneity. C. Uniparental disomy. D. Genetic imprinting. E. Heteroplasmy. Answer: A. Allelic heterogeneity. Explanation: allelic heterogeneity occurs when different mutations at the same genetic locus lead to the same disease phenotype. In this case, beta thalassemia results from multiple mutations in the beta globin gene, all contributing to the same clinical manifestation.
Question.
A woman with Leber hereditary optic neuropathy, LHON, a maternally inherited disease, is diagnosed with mitochondrial DNA, mtDNA abnormalities. Her children inherit the condition from her, but the severity of the disease varies among them. What genetic concept best explains this variability? A. Uniparental disomy. B. Heteroplasmy. C. Allelic heterogeneity. D. Locus heterogeneity. E. Anticipation. And B. Heteroplasmy. Heteroplasmy refers to the presence of both normal and mutated mitochondrial DNA, mtDNA, in a cell. In Leber hereditary optic neuropathy, the variation in mtDNA can lead to variable expression of the disease, depending on the proportion of mutated mtDNA inherited by each offspring. Question 3. A newborn presents with Prader-Willi syndrome despite the absence of any deletion in the father's chromosome 15. Genetic testing reveals that the child inherited 2 copies of chromosome 15 from the mother and none from the father. Which of the following best explains this genetic phenomenon? A. Heteroplasmy. B. Allelic heterogeneity. C. Uniparental disomy. D. Locus heterogeneity. E. Genetic imprinting. Answer: C. Uniparental disomy. Explanation: uniparental disomy, UPD, occurs when an individual inherits 2 copies of a chromosome from one parent and no copies from the other parent. In this case, the child inherited 2 copies of chromosome 15 from the mother, leading to Prader-Willi syndrome due to the lack of expression of the maternal allele. These questions test your understanding of key genetic terms such as allelic heterogeneity, heteroplasmy, and uniparental disomy,